What's going on, guys? In today's video we're gonna be playing Battlefield. So let's get into it. Are you good? Sir. Someone call EMS. This guy is doing something weird. No way. Oh, where am I? Oh my gosh. That guy. It's crazy. No! No, we're defending. Why do we have to be the defender? We're not losing. Guns out, funds out. Hey, yo, what? Guns out, funds out. Guns out, funds out. Are you good? Oh my gosh, okay. I did not just see that. I did not just see that. I did not just see that. I saw it. I saw it. They need me to go in there and just shot them. Dead. Why do those defenders always lose? 6, 7. Okay, that was. Ah! This is the end. 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 We're losing. Like always. Oh. Who knew? They could do. I'm mad, so I'm gonna fry everyone now. Turn them into French fries, because I'm also hungry. Hungry? I was hungry once. It hurts? But, yeah. Oh. Can you please stop doing it? Please. Oh, I feel someone's here. Okay. Did I just go in a circle? Oh my god. Hey. Oh my. I'm a silent killer. This is an infinite trap. This is an infinite trap. No! I was frying everyone right there. I was like, just frying. Shotguns are too good. You know what? That should be the name of this video. Shotguns are OP. That is gonna be the name of this video, actually. You better stop, you turd. Should I go in everywhere? I'll save you. I did that. I did not just do that. I wasn't even thinking. I just shot. Oh, wow. At least I killed one person. I'm fierce. Don't mess with my shotgun. You're gonna be in pain if you mess with it. You're gonna be in major pain. Major Pain the movie. Please don't sue me. Hello. Why can't I move? Oh. Yay. That was fun. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. I'll just get out here real quick. No problem. Just don't mind me. Oh, man. Am I seeing this? Oh, I thought that was on top of a building. Ow. I should start using my shotgun so I can kill some people. Ooh, that was funny. Just jumping like a fly. Oh. They need me with my shotgun to go in there and just raid. You mean beta? Stupid. It's beta, not alpha. Yeah, because of me. You know what? That's what I think about it. That's what I think about it. Probably shouldn't have done that, but that's what I think about it. Bang, bang. We have? Thank you. No, stop it. That's not nice. Oh. Yeah, I think it's about time to get out of here. What? How did a helicopter kill me? No, no, no. I don't want to drop like a fly. You mean alpha? Stupid. Bid stoop. Bid stoop. Stupid. Id stoop. Forces. Actually, forces. No! Defend it! We need to defend this at all costs. Oh, hey. Never mind. That's what I thought. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Oh. Hey. Just give me a second. Well, on you. There's an enemy attacking your area. You should be speaking because this is America, not India. Most of its forces. Not all, most. No. At least I killed somebody before I died. We can't let objective Bravo die. Yeah, thanks. Oh, hey. I'm sorry about that. My brain is like a fried pickle. That's why I'm making all these cringy noises. Cringy is cringe. How do you spell cringe? I-K. Turd. Oh. You know why turtles are so disgusting? Because they're turtles. Get it? Turd. Turd. I will prepare to defend the next sector. And it will work. Enemy forces. No! Oh my, 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 oh my. Good. That's not nice. That's not nice. Aim your gun at the ground, not at the sky. That's really mean to the people around you. Yahoo! Oh, I'm totally getting sued. Oh, I thought that said. Yep. This is gonna be the longest video ever. I know it. I was here, chat. I was here. Oh. Oh wait. Are you good? Don't tell me you're dead. I hear people walking around. All clear. Are you good? Oh. NATO. Wait, no, we're NATO. That's why they're winning. That's literally why they're winning. Because they're NATO. NATO's better than whatever these. Sorry. Why does everyone look the same around here? What? Wait, I'm gonna click that. No. No. Oh my. Hey. How did I hit him? I'm surprised I'm not surprised at this. How did I hit him? I was expecting to do damage, but not like. Boom. Low ammo. He dead. Oh my gosh. Can we get a janitor on aisle 4? This is the longest game. At least I got a few kills. Yes! That's gonna be the end for today's video, guys. And that was a long one, actually. And bye.